Ducon's chemical absorption towers, also known as packed bed scrubbers, are custom designed to absorb and remove a wide range of toxic gaseous pollutants such as SO2, HCl, H2S, NOx, NH3, CO2, TRS, organics, odors, and fumes. These wet scrubbers are available as spray towers, tray towers, and packed towers with high-efficiency, low-pressure drop packing, or with custom-designed trays, achieve pollutant removal efficiencies of over 99.99% by ensuring continuous contact between the upward-rising polluted gas and the downward-flowing scrubbing liquid in a counterflow design. Ducon can utilize various types of reagents in its wet scrubbers depending on customer preference. Key design parameters including the liquid-to-air ratio, surface loading rate, packing type and height, along with the use of non-clogging nozzles, inline condensers, and scrubbing liquid recycling, are meticulously optimized to enhance performance and reliability. Constructed from a variety of materials such as mild steel, stainless steel, Inconel, FRP, and PVC, these systems are engineered for optimum performance, low maintenance, and high reliability, effectively removing contaminants like sulfur dioxide, hydrogen sulfide, nitrogen oxides, and many others. Contact us today to learn more and request a quote. For further information, visit our website duconnv.com or call us 1-631-420-4900.